Hi, automation builders. I will help you build a no-code recommendation bot that will assist customers about your digital products or courses and also recommend it for you in chat, where you can add your course link, affiliated links, or any other digital product. So let's see how to create one. So first, we're going to create a flow. Click on Add, and let's just name it as AI Trigger Automation. All right. So this is where you have to create your message which AI will recommend. So it can either be a text message, which you can select the text option, and you can add the text and button option, or you can select the card option, where you can upload an image, add a title, and you add the description. If you want multiple cards, so for example you want the scrollable slide card, then you can add multiple products by clicking on plus icon. Alright, so for now we just have this one. We're going to use only one card. Upload an image. We can also resize either to landscape or portrait. So we're going for portrait. So the title will be Roofing Tutorial. Alright? And then, obviously, you can add subtitle as this. This is a detailed tutorial for roofing. And this button option, you can customize the message however you want to. Get access. So you can either send a message, which is like triggering another automation where you can collect the information like their name, email, or you can send them to another website, or they can call you. All right, so open website. We're just going to copy this link. You can paste your any website, Gumroad, or wherever your digital resources or courses, digital products, or anything. Now save. Now this is the message. Click on Publish. You need to create an AI trigger that is going to understand that this is the resource that I need to recommend and this is how I have to do it. So go to Integration. Make sure whichever LLM that you are selecting, you have already added. For now, we're going for OpenAI. Scroll down and you will see AI triggers. Now, we'll create an AI trigger. It's going to be Roofing Tutorial. Alright, now this is going to be allows the user to get access to our tutorial. Now you can also add an option where you can allow the AI trigger to collect the information for you. So, if you want email, just add email and then select the email custom field. Alright, but for now, we're just going to do a simple one. So this is the flow that we created, which is AI Trigger Automation and Continue. Now we will go to OpenAI and we need to add this AI trigger. So the reason we have to add it is just to tell AI that there is an automation that you need to understand. Whenever someone asks about it, you need to understand the intent and then you need to find out the automation, which automation matches the intent, and then you have to trigger that. So to do that, go to Edit. And make sure to select this. And this is what we created, and we will add a prompt here. So it's going to be important instruction. All right, so it's better to put the prompt at the beginning. So it's easier for AI to scan the whole thing. All right, so it would say, whenever someone asks about roofing tutorial, activate this AI trigger. So AI trigger is called Roofing Tutorial. So this whole thing is exactly this. So it understands what it is. All right, now we will just continue. I'm going to show it on the phone. All right, we'll just message just to see if the AI is working. What are your services? All right, so yeah, it's working. So we'll ask about, I need to know if there's a tutorial on roofing. So it's about understanding intent. So as you can see, it has triggered the automation and it has given the exact flow that we just created. We will click and then obviously you can direct them to your digital product website, course website, however you want to. And that's how you can create an AI trigger that is going to recommend your services, products, whatever you want to. Thank you for watching.